Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're not on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do mini twists on short, medium, natural hair. So like I've been in this challenge it's been 5 months now. Yes, so it's a 6 month challenge, to grow out your medium natural hair or short, medium, natural hair. So I've actually done this. I've already, twisted. Yes. If you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So like friends, I've been trying to grow out my medium natural hair to a certain length. So actually in 6 months, you can retain 3 inches. So you need to be consistent, and patience for you to grow your natural hair. So something that can actually, grow overnight. And prayer has been one of my priorities because the Bible says, without me, you cannot do anything. And God is so concerned about every welfare in our lives. Yes. So actually, our hair is our crown. So whatever state your hair is in is so beautiful. You need to love it, embrace it, and style it. And comment in the section below, dear friends, if you have tried out mini twists on short, medium natural hair or long to grow out your natural hair. So, friends, like mini twists are a form of protective hairstyle popularly used in Afro-Texas hair. They achieved by dividing hair into two or more main sections. These sections are further subdivided into smaller subsections for easier manipulation. Afterward, two smaller hair clusters are selected from the subsection. They are then worked together in rotating manner, twist from roots to ends to form mini twist. The main goal of mini twist is to protect hair while promoting hair growth. So before installing, your mini twist, you have to make sure that you do pre-shampoo, you detangle, you wash your hair, you condition your hair, you dry your hair. So actually I did all these steps and I did the videos on each of them. I'll link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. So that is how far we have gone, friends. So like this time around I did like a quite big twist. I never wanted to do very tiny mini twists because they cost me last time. Like it was quite a challenge for me to detangle, so I opted for a medium size, as you can see, and they are coming up so well. I'm loving how my hair is growing, friends. Yes. So you can actually wear your mini twist for a maximum of 4 weeks or 1 month. You can wash actually your scalp about a week or 2 weeks, depending on your preference. And you have to make sure that you are, moisturizing your hair in between. So like I've done quite a number of videos how you can moisturize your hair in twists, how you can cleanse your scalp. I'm going to link all the videos in the description box below. So when you are wearing mini twists, you have to make sure that you are protecting your hair, when going to sleep. Make sure that you put on a certain bonnet or satin scarf or silk scarf or silk bonnet. This is very important to prevent loss of moisture. And you need to be massaging, to promote hair growth. Like I really love massaging my scalp. I do it once per week, depending on your preference. So in my case, like I love massaging my scalp, every once, or depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes I do massage my scalp when I'm doing a pre-shampoo, when I'm, washing my hair. That's when I massage my scalp. So mini twists afford your scalp and hair a break. It's actually low maintenance. They are gentle for your edges. So if you're trying to grow out your edges, then mini twists are a choice for you. Because you know what? They don't pull your edges because they are low manipulation. They don't pull your scalp. That's the goodness of them. And they are protective style. They help preserve the ends. That is, if you tuck your ends away. In most cases, like we don't normally leave the twists the way they are. Like we style them, we tuck, roll. we tuck away the ends to promote hair growth. And mini twists, the goodness of them, they can be worn by many people, whether you have short, medium, and long hair, you can do mini twist. So once installed, mini twist can actually, promote hair growth and a healthy and softer hair. And they also help retain length since hair is not combed so often. So mini twist will help retain length since hair is not combed so often. Because when you are in a protective hairstyle, you don't have to comb your hair. That is one thing I like about that. It's no manipulation, friends. And they will also allow access to the scalp and hair roots for better cleansing. So that is the reason why, like, I opted to do twists, because you have access to your scalp. You can, cleanse your scalp. You can moisturize well. You can do whatever you want, pre-shampoo in twists. That's the goodness of them. And it also saves you money if you decided to do them yourself. So like I did learn how to style, to do protective hairstyle. I stopped a long time to go to hair salons, but I do get that there are better salons out there. You can check them out, provided, they are taking heed to what you want. Make sure that you communicate to your hair stylist. They don't have, to pull your edges. They have to do what you want, because you know what? You are paying money. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, smash that red subscribe button and subscribe now. And give this video a like. So mini twists are actually versatile and can be styled differently for various occasions, and they are easy to maintain like once installed. So friends, like I didn't want to use any products, any styling products, because my hair was already, deep conditioned, was also moisturized. And I don't love, using styling products when I'm doing twists, because I feel like if I don't want shrinkage, because I always do twists on stretched hair. I don't want my hair to shrink. Yes, but if you want to use a styling product, depending on what you want to achieve, you can do so. But I always do mini twists on stretched hair. So actually, I've done quite a number of videos on how you can stretch your hair. Like I was trying to find out which one works very well. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. And friends, like for you to grow your medium natural hair or to a certain length, like you need consistent and patience. It was something that you can do overnight. There's no magic about growing hair, or there's no magic product which can actually, grow your hair overnight or in 2 days. It is impossible. It requires some patience and consistency. And like I mentioned earlier on, like I always involve God in everything that I do in my life, because without God we are nothing. We are dependent on God. And God is so concerned, of your life, whatever you go through in your life. And of course, friends, like I'm so sorrowful because I lost one of my sister's daughter. She passed away in Sweden. She was found dead by neighbors, and it's something that has really pricked my heart. But you have to take everything in the hands of God, because God is the best comforter. So in whatever situation you are going through, call upon God, and He's going to give you the peace that the world cannot give. So that is how our twist looks like. I love how they are coming up. Look at that. So they were done quite loose, as you can see. Like they look so voluminous and bulky. Yes, that's what I wanted, because I never wanted to put in smaller twists, because they cost me the previous month, because they were so tiny. But as you can see, these are different. They are quite big. So at this point, I'm super excited because I'm done. Look at that, friends. Like they really look wow. So I've been twisting for 2 hours 30 minutes. Yes. So comment in the section below, dear friends, if you have tried twists before to grow your natural hair, and comment in the section below. So like I promised, I'll be sharing different kinds of treatments that I'll be doing to grow our medium natural hair. And I've done quite a number of videos. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So friends, like this is the 5th month of doing twists. And actually June, but because I started on the 5th of January, so 6th month will click in July, actually the first week of July. Yes, and I'm super excited because you know what? I'm one person who doesn't easily give up. I only give up when I have achieved what I want to. Yes, so that is how they look like. So like tomorrow I'm going to share with you how to style your medium natural hair. Of course, I've done some other videos on how you can style, but I'm going to do different styles which I have never done. So make sure that you come back tomorrow and check for that video. So at this point, like I'm just going to bring the hair up and then I'll just do a simple style as we go to bed. Yes, like they're so fluffy as you can see. So thank you so much for watching and best to see you in our next video.